I think we were hoping to maximize space, and we wanted to make sure that how can we use that space efficiently. I needed it to not just look beautiful, but I needed it to make sure that it was functioning for our family. What are the needs for us and for our children? You know, I have all the appliances and it doesn't look messy. I think that was what we were hoping for. Yeah, I must say, I'm very, very proud of Grande because we're not behind schedule, which is really comforting because, you know, design firms and contractors have a reputation to always be late. We're really happy with the finishing of the apartment. We're really happy with the color tones. We're really happy with the design. Everything looks great. Everything looks very clean, exactly how we saw in the pictures. We can see it all has come together as they promised. So I think that's the most encouraging thing. The best people to ask are my in-laws, my husband's parents, the ones that lived here. They've literally seen before and after, so they were really happy. Initially, I think we were all worried because it's quite an angular apartment. We were worried that we would be losing light or there would be too many corners and corridors. But actually, that's not the case. I think the before, it felt like something quite dated. It looked like something from 1999 or, you know, 2000. This is a 2023 apartment. So it's nice that everything has a specific place. We were deliberating over and thinking about again and again. And when I look around, like I said earlier, it's come together so beautifully. So when I sit on the sofa and I look around, it's a sense of calm, a sense of peace, like, oh, it's happened, we're here.